Hi, guys.
Yo, what's up? I can't cook, and this is Lyon, my
Yeah,
flatmate. Now today is 端午节, which is one of the big Chinese festivals.
Yeah.
One thing you eat on 端午节 is Zongzi. Now, Zongzi is a dumpling.
Dumpling?
Not that dumpling.
What dumpling?
Not that dumpling.
What
but
dumpling?
that dumpling.
This one?
Yes, this. This is a Zongzi. Or, according to its English translation, pyramid-shaped dumpling made of glutinous rice wrapped in bamboo or reed leaves. So now you can see why we call it Zongzi.
Yeah.
Too long. So today, Lyon, or Wan Liang, my Chinese flatmate, is going to teach me how to make Zongzi.
端午节是中国4大传统节日之一，在端午节这天，我们家人都会聚在一起吃饭，然后我们也会做中国最传统的美食粽子。但作为上班族的我们来说，端午节就是 Happy Day 放假的时候。今天让我们带着 Alex 一起来解锁中国传统美食，走吧！
So this is the leaf that we'll be using for the Zongzi. We've got lots of them, and we basically need to take these dry leaves and put them in water for a little bit. So why are we washing these leaves?
因为这是干的粽叶，所以你需要用水把它泡开，泡得软一点，这样你包的时候它就不会裂开。
Ah, gotcha. So it's done?
Yeah.
Okay, bye! So I guess this grass is used for like wrapping around the Zongzi, right?
Yeah.
This part is not big enough for all these leaves. So this rice is going to make up the filling of the Zongzi. So now we're about to wrap the Zongzi. We got the freshly wet leaves, the freshly wet rice, and the hong shao rou on deck, and also a bit of green tea. You know what I'm saying? Gotta stay fresh. So as you can see, the bamboo leaf is wrapped around the filling on the inside. So this is what it should look like, but inside there'll be the filling. What do you normally put in?
红枣、蛋黄、咸蛋黄，然后在我家我妈还会放花生，或者是这样什么都不放，然后煮好之后放就是蘸着白糖吃。
Alright, I'm gonna go for it.
看好，看我教你啊。
Yeah. Wait.
好，
How did you get to this point with the leaf?
拿两个，
Okay.
然后
Shit.
这里交叉。
And so here, 这里交叉，
对。
then
对。
hell yeah. No, it's all falling apart. It's all going away. Okay. 失败了. Right. Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of this green tea to improve my powers. Now I'm ready to make the best damn Zongzi you've ever seen. You've ever seen, bruh. So, step number 1. Yeah. What? Oh. Okay, no, this is for real this time. Now I'm starting. That was just a warm up. Okay. Hey, hang on. What are you saying? That's actually not bad, eh? Okay. up, bro. Stop trying to throw me off my game. Okay.
Not bad.
And not bad, right? And it's even got cute little ears. It's like a bunny rabbit, right? 像个兔子一样。
对。
It looks terrible. It's not good. You're doing a bad job. You can't bow Zongzi.
This is the best of Zongzi.
Mine are better. You know it's true.
你就是嫉妒。完美。Perfect.
Okay, that's pretty impressive.
要把皮吃掉，皮营养最多了。你最近在健身，多吃点啊。
It's kind of hard.
没关系，用力咬。
How do you do this?
撕啊，用力咬。对，用锯呗，用刀叉，这样锯着吃。对。
I thought you guys didn't use forks.
对，有营养。
I'm not sure, man. This ain't tasting so good.
Yeah, so good.
No, not good. Not good.
I think you can try again.
I can barely swallow it. Why are you eating it like that?
因为我不健身啊。
That sounds like some excuse to me. Alright, this time I'm gonna eat it the right way. So, you gotta get rid of all these shoelaces, and then open up the leaf, including the part that I ate, and voila. That is a fresh little Zongzi. I'm gonna, well, how do you eat it? You grab it with your hand.
Yeah.
You can see the meat here too. There's the meat filling. That's actually really good. So it kind of mixes like the fresh smell of the leaf with the stickiness of the Zongzi or of the rice, and then the meat filling inside, which adds some flavor as well. So you basically get to combine all these three parts together to make one nice little dumpling. Definitely really good. I recommend you try it.
端午节快乐
Cheers!